Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to change right analog stick switching mode. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter game settings. Scroll down in gameplay and find right stick switching. Switch between classic, player rotation, adaptive. Holding R for longer will switch to more distant players as soon as you release it. Clicking R switches to the very next player standing in the direction you are pointing towards. Clicking R will move to next player switch indicator. However, this will not switch the player. To switch the player, press L1. If you find this video helpful, please hit like, comment and subscribe.